Automate is the first Airbus Next demonstrator developed in collaboration with Airbus Defense. Automate main objective is to develop and flight test disruptive technologies in order to enhance air-to-air refueling operations. So as a consequence, we are going to pave the way for the future autonomous air-to-air refueling operations.
A3R is the automatic air-to-air refueling system which automatizes the refueling operation in the final part of the operation, whereas the A4R is the autonomous assets air-to-air refueling, automatizing the whole operation.
The role of INTA in this project, or project similar to this, is always divided in three different fields. The first one is the coordination and the management of the exercise itself. The second one is the execution. And the third one is the collection of data. And if we have a good execution, we guarantee the good data collection.
In order to perform an autonomous air-to-air refueling operation, we need to know where each asset is positioned. Once we have each asset relative positioning, when we have the communication established, we need to guide the receiver until the contact position. And how we do that? We develop cooperative controls algorithms together with collision avoidance and flight formation. So, as you can imagine, artificial intelligence is playing an important role in Automate Demonstrator.
We have taken control of the DT-25 and we have autonomously guided it to different points around the A310 using all the navigation sensors we have available, and we have validated the utility of these sensors for the operation.
Automate Airbus Next demonstrator was launched thinking only in air-to-air refueling operation. However, we believe all these technologies we are developing and we have tested in Automate are totally applicable for the coming operation of future combat air system.
The behavior of the DT-25 test platform during this flight test was really as expected, as we simulated it in several simulation runs and also during several ground tests. It was a great experience to work in such a multinational and agile team with Next, Airbus Defense and Space and INTA, and we can all see what can be achieved in such a good team and a nice team spirit.
Working with Airbus Defense and Airbus Next has been very great. I mean, I have enjoyed a lot with this project.
The flight tests have been a complete success, and we are very happy with the result. Now it's time to analyze the data, improve our system, and add new capabilities. See you soon at our next mission.